Hello YouTube. In this video, I'm going to refurbish an old Nardi Classics that I found online. I bought this steering wheel with the vision to install it into my BMW E30, which is still in the works. This steering was on a bargain and I've wanted one for the longest time. The wood trim on the wheel is just so beautiful. I have to remove the old lacquer on the steering wheel, but before that, I mask the spokes on the wheel so that I don't leave any scratches. I use a penknife to scrape off the existing lacquer, and that's the best method that I found. I then sand the entire wood surface with 600, 1005 and 2000 grit sandpapers. I gave it a good wipe just to check how smooth the surface is. I'm so happy that the wheel is slowly taking shape. You can see how much the wheel has changed just by scraping and sanding the wood surface. Next, I'm sanding the metal spokes on the wheel. It has some light scuffs and signs of aging, so I used a 1005 grit sandpaper with some metal polish. I then move on to 2000 grit sandpaper just to smoothen everything out. I also sand the center ring and the horn button piece that came with the steering wheel. I took this chance to clean and also polish some of the stained metal that has aged for quite some time. Gave it a good wipe again and make sure I don't miss any spot. I used Minwax natural wood stain to finish the wooden wheel. You sure don't want to miss this part. This was one of the most satisfying steps and I really enjoy applying the wood stain. Notice how much the color has changed. This is truly the result that I'm looking for. Well, here is it, the final result. What started from an old aged looking wheel turned out great after some work was put to it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this restoration process. Please hit the subscribe and like button and I'll see you in the next video.